Free. It's a word that sparks excitement, a promise of something for nothing. But what if I told you it's a trap? In a world where every dollar counts, free is the ultimate lure. But beneath the surface of that shiny offer lies a complex psychological web designed to ensnare you. Here's the problem. Every time you're drawn to something free, you're not just getting a deal, you're making a decision. And often, it's a decision that costs you more than you realize. Take, for example, the story of Amazon's free shipping. When Amazon first introduced free shipping, customers flocked in droves. The catch? They ended up buying more to qualify for it. Dan Ariely, a renowned behavioral economist, explains this phenomenon as the zero price effect. When the price drops to zero, our perception of the value changes dramatically. This isn't just theory, it's psychology. Our brains are wired to overestimate the benefits of free things and underestimate the costs. Free becomes an emotional trigger, bypassing rational thought. Consider the classic example of buy one, get one free. You're not just getting a free product, you're committing to buy something first. This leads to increased spending, not saving. So how can you guard against the lure of free? Start by recognizing the tactics. When faced with a free offer, pause. Ask yourself, what are they really selling? Remember, free isn't just a price, it's a strategy designed to change your behavior. But you've got the power to make informed decisions, to see through the illusion and find the real value. Next time you see free, take a moment. Remember that the true cost often lies hidden, and that's the moment everything changes. Subscribe for more insights on psychology and decision-making. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of the mind and make smarter choices.